I'm Danny, this is my friend Kasey. We are on the worship leadership team here at Northland Church, and we'd just like to welcome you all here. Thank you for coming out. It's going to be a fun night. We're excited to be a part of it, and we're going to play a couple songs for you to start things off. I'll raise a hallelujah in the presence of my enemies, and I'll raise a hallelujah louder than the unbelief. I'll raise a hallelujah. My weapon is a melody. I'll raise a hallelujah. Heaven comes to fight for me.
I'm gonna sing in the middle of the storm, louder and louder. You're gonna hear my praises roar. Out from the ashes, hope will arise. Death is defeated, the King is alive. I raise a hallelujah
With everything inside of me, I'll raise a hallelujah. I will watch the darkness flee. I'll raise a hallelujah in the middle of the mystery. I'll raise a hallelujah. Fear lost your hold on me.
I'm gonna sing
In the middle of the storm,
louder and louder. You're gonna hear my praises roar. Up from the ashes, hope will arise. Death is defeated, the King is alive.
sing a little louder,
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 oh, sing a little louder.
sing a little louder,
In the presence of my enemies,
sing a little louder,
oh, louder than the unbelief.
sing a little louder,
My weapon is a melody.
sing a little louder,
Heaven comes to fight for me.
sing a little louder,
In the presence of my enemies,
sing a little louder,
oh, louder than the unbelief.
sing a little louder,
My weapon is a melody.
ooh, sing a little louder,
Heaven comes to fight for me.
sing a little louder.
I'm gonna sing
In the middle of the storm,
louder and louder. You're gonna hear my praises roar. Up from the ashes, hope will arise. Death is defeated, the King is alive. I'm gonna sing
in the middle of the storm.